John Van Leeuwen, New Zealand, Sotheby's International in the Manawatu, number 6H Ihaka Street, here on the Centennial Lagoon. Now, it's bird life personified. You savour a lifestyle here that no others in the city can enjoy. Well, there's a golf course, the Manawatu Golf Course, just across the way here. There's reserve land, there's bird life, just a wonderful environment to live in. And 330 square metres of quality, architecturally designed home on the easy care section. Now, the most important part of this, it is lifestyle. It couldn't get better. Let's have a little wander through. You'll love the waterfront, you'll love the environment, and that's what you're buying. We hope you've really enjoyed this amazing property. We've said it's about lifestyle, savour it, enjoy it. Those that live here love it, and there's a limited supply ever to buy on this lagoon. Behind me is an environment you just couldn't buy, but inside, expansive living. Two big expansive living rooms you've seen, and it leads out here to this expansive deck. It's all about lifestyle, it's all about you enjoying your life. So call Michelle or myself anytime soon, we'd love to show you through.